How to use markup tools and draw in notes in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open notes and open a keyboard, and here you can see the pencil icon. Now click on this pencil icon, and here you can draw anything like that with pen, highlighter, and here you can erase and erase size, and here you can erase anything you want to erase, and here you can use a scale to draw a straight line, and then select a pencil and draw a straight line like that. So this is the way to use markup tools and draw in notes in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.